Your business is your business. You must know what you want to sell your business for.
So
My
you
business
tell me,
become
say,
private.
so,
Listen. My business, you know Lala?
who?
Lala.
No.
You don't know Lala?
I say no.
Well, that is the supervisor for my business. She give me heads up on what to do and what not to do.
So, Dante. So, for my price too cheap.
You need me if you tell you how to market yourself?
How much, how much money, how much yourself, how much?
It's buy one, get one free.
I'm sorry?
It's
No,
buy
I
one,
feel
get
like
one.
that me feel like a fucker about there, so. If boy tell me 1,500 if you work with it now, I feel like that's a regular. You know, so me I'm gonna bring up the price. Listen, 2,000
No,
from.
he might tell you, say, to up your price and fee him lower. So no, you don't get no reward if a customer and get all of them because I'm going to say Dante one cheaper. Then get more for their money.
No, my price right now is $1,800.
Them busting on no cash. Bro. Hey guys.
Mika,
Yo.
nobody in your chat. We are sell cock over here, you know.
So if nobody over here want buy cock?
Yeah.
From who?
Oh, me!
Let me.
Both of us.
From you?
Dante, I sell cock too.
That's not a bag of mouth.
Ladies, how much, how you selling? How you selling? Oh.
Me did I sell for 1,500, but me raise up, you know, 2,000 for knock it on the phone screen, 3,500 for back it till it shoot,
So man, make them talk.
45,000 if you want to fly down for feel it.
We can't go too fast. No.
2,500 for beat it on the phone screen.
2,500 phone screen, just phone screen.
Yeah.
Alright.
4,500 for back it till it shoot.
4,500 Bucky.
Till it shoot.
It shoot.
And 35 grand. To come
And
down.
35,000 if you want to fly down.
35,000.
That will be fly down for feel it. Remember, see a different part of cake with that.
35,000.
You have to fly down for feel it cocky.
35K.
And that
Fly
come
down
with
and feel it. That's an imperfect.
Mika, bear in mind these are US dollars.
Yeah.
Yeah, that me kind of get here. I realize that for me that traffic. Fly down
Don't you?
and feel it.
Don't let for the touring part. Tell them that you will tour them around.
So
they can know
2,500 back
more
up on the
about
phone
something.
screen. So wait, the back up on the phone screen, you must shoot. You just back up on the screen.
Just slap it some Mika.
No, fee 4,500.
No, the
No,
2,500.
2,500.
No, if me just beat it on the phone screen while it's stiff. Yeah.
That's all.
$2,500.
Right.
4,500. So 4,500 to back it to the shoot.
Somebody
Yeah.
said dummy one is 500 for slap it on the phone.
35K fly down and feel it in person experience. Anything else come with the fly down package? What
Yes,
come with the
I also take you around around Jamaica and anywhere you want to stop and we can do it anywhere. In my 40 ball BMW.
in the what BMW?
40 ball.
40 ball BMW. Does that include somewhere for them to stay?
Of course.
Or that include housing?
Yes, you just paid the 35,000 and that cover everything, food expense and everything.
Now, what if your care body go give them money, your body not body in? Then get a refund, more under the refund policy.
Mika, go on.
Me have to ask the people them.
Mika, me cocky never fail me yet.
I don't not the people business. Business is business. You have to ask the fine print and the information that people them can know.
Alright, listen. My friend Yam Front.
Which one is your friend?
Which one is your friend? Because you have a lot of friends, you know. Which one is your friend?
Wait. So Dante,
Yeah.
how are you, Dante?
I am not that so-called friend, so if you are bringing that conversation
I
over
will
here, I'm
not.
not that
I can't even say hi to you, Dante. I haven't seen you all day.
Oh.
Like, why are you being so
what's up,
not
Mika? How
quiet?
you? No, I'm just telling you before you even bring the conversation.
No, you don't need to talk to me like that because I don't want to talk to you anymore. I'm trying to be nice. I'm
Oh.
trying to be your friend. Like, I literally just said
Hello.
hi.
Hello, Mika. You're looking wonderful. I like your hairstyle. You're looking beautiful as usual.
Thanks. Nobody want to talk to you because you just. You know, like when you attack the name front argument like you're guilty. We don't like that.
No, Carl.
We never
Let me
said that
tell
to
you.
you. We never said that to you, Dante.
Listen.
We never said
I know
that.
this. Listen, me in one place now, because I can't really shout. So, when I've got to do one at a time talking. You see, down there, I notice if I want to start name catches. So, you want to draw people in a look name catches argument. Which is maybe not tell people, say, man, name catches and just they hide it on the style now. But now, in name catches, something starts
me not do
showing.
that.
And we start feeling-
No,
we start
Dante,
feeling
me
more
not do that.
comfortable.
No, me not do that. No. Remember you are Yankee.
I remember say you are undercover.
Boy, me say me not do that.
Me not do that neither.
Boy, you are Yankee.
Who tell me a Yankee? I'm Barnstone Jamaican.
No foreign you live, Master. Anybody go over foreign go live in Yam Front. Automatic.
Anybody who see born on them front of them name front the most.
You never money out.
You always have money out.
No, me no business with you.
This is who?
You.
Drunk, you know say I take this something too far. Don't you thinking dead dog, no dead boy. Eh? When you take a look at home broom and yam catches, nobody I tell you nothing. Eh? Where you come and fling yam catches for?
Mika.
Home broom boy.
You take it offended, not true.
When the rascal beer come like home broom, I to use and a sweep up the rascal come. Hey boy, hey, don't bring it over here now.
Mika, where man go and suffer? Dante a throw me a make.
Womb broom.
This Oh, so that's why you start grow blood clot beard. Killer dead at the womb room this. I know it. Dante, that's why you start grow. Oh! Bump, see, come here. See.
Your beard too.
Which beard?
You know, see Dante start grow beard.
I need help.
Kill him dead at the womb room.
Come here, let me tell you what you say.
Two pussy club.
We don't act like them there. So, dummy say, don't you have a womb broom? And apparently, dummy had tried grow her womb broom. See, I don't miss it so. And them. For me, and them. Me just tell you what I heard.
Mika.
Okay, listen.
Mika.
At least I'm a junior. Donia is a pro.
You know, say, I really, we have a next name feet too. We have a next name feet. Come catcher.
Dante, come on.
Yeah, me think me gone to.
If you left, make sure to Dante there every night.
Dante, come on.
The little one catch you come.
Alright, done the argument.
You know, say Friday night, me know what you say, CC, like, yeah.
Dante, why do my argument to make Mika just or she come and so cook? You like ever something?
I mean,
no, I didn't say nothing. I'm just saying that you're talking about womb broom and you're not against it, but you don't really do it. But him say him no, you say him do it. So it was just a lot going on. So we just check. Me just want to know what Dante's shirt say. It says something about eat. I mean just want to know what Dante's shirt say.
You say something about what?
Me don't know Dante shirt, Donia. Dante shirt is something more eat. So me want to know what about Dante shirt. That's all.
Dante, come, I will look at the monitor.
Please, Dante, please stand up. So we can look at the monitor and identify the shirt. Please, Dante. Eat what?
You know what I'm saying? When I catch a chew tonight, back and forth, when I come in a hotel, I don't really want to make worry for night. Make you see me now.
What does the shirt say?
What does the shirt say that day?
Look at the shirt, bro. Read.
We can't see it.
You can't see it in a script, joining up.
Read.
Chat, read the shirt.
Dante.
The manufacturer of food.
And that's it. That not say that. Come if you eat.
The manufacturer of food eating. I say it, bro. It's about. It's
What is
about.
up with the Dante? Stop going, so.
Bro, read.
I mean, I say not about manufacture nothing. I mean, no manufacturer of only paletta, and that wouldn't fit this up.
Yeah, hold.
That wouldn't fit.
It's EST, it's not eat. And I'm my bed, me home going now, 1 o'clock up there now. You know, alright, you know, you can sleep on the tonight. Don't send me address, bro. Me link you tomorrow, dog. Hey, stop, tomorrow, man. I link you too, bro. Don't you like my shoes?
Yeah, me, I want like that.
I want like this?
Yeah, God know. Me wear it last time I go wear it.
Sean, the shopping link is on my page. I posted it. See, the shopping cart, you could click on it and buy the wig. It's on my page.
Like you downstairs. Me, I want to fit you. It's bad. It fit neat with tight jeans.
Yeah, dog. I'm going to buy a purple jeans tomorrow and rock it. Give them a look on
Tomorrow, Dante.
Huh?
Where you going tomorrow? You going on a date?
I'm going to El Shop. I'm going to Portmore.
Come on, for blood clot. This boy you're going to Elsa.
You don't believe me, no, bro?
You must see how
Dante, move
Elsa
on,
Shalom
move.
come from. Oh, that's
Where you
what
got
Shalom.
Elsa?
So what shall I want to do with me?